These are inexpensive and easy to install. Running light and blinkers are turn indicators from AliExpress. First we will test a simple turn indicator or blinker. Color is bright orange and easy to spot. It has a running light style that is attractive too. It is compact and slim, easy to fit anywhere with 3mm glue or sticker that doesn't need any drilling or screw, and also made water resistant with hard glue, not easy to damage, and hopefully long lasting. Works in a voltage range of 10 volts to 32 volts. Now we will try another bigger, brighter turn indicator or blinker, with startup scanning lights and DRL. Rather than the first one with only 2 wires, negative and positive, this unit has 3 wires, negative, DRL scan and turn signal. As the color code represents black to negative, and red to positive or ignition for a vehicle startup scan and to power on DRL, yellow wire to indicator turn signal. Now that the voltage have been applied to positive and negative representing vehicle ignition on, it will make a startup scan sequence and fades to dim, then slowly brightens to full brightness. When the indicator or blinker is on, white shuts down and orange running sequence LED will light up to the direction to turn signal. The LED strip is marked which one to be on, left and right. This pair also is water resistant and inside a silicone case, making it a longer lasting, flexible design to fit on any shape of your headlights, as this unit usually fixed over headlights based on the 3mm glue on the side of the LED strip inside the silicone casing facing down, to reflect most on the headlight lens. We can use the strip without running DRL but only with the running indicator only, by disconnecting red wire from ignition, and only connecting negative and yellow wire to blinker or indicator, so that when indicator is on, the orange running light will work. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.